Hi, how you doing? Welcome back. On the menu today we're going to make a potato and chickpea coconut curry. Aloo Chana. Really delicious. Vegan and vegetarian. And I'd like to take this opportunity to ask you to check out our new vegan channel that we set up. 100% vegan, so get over there and take a look. The link will pop up at the end and the link is below in the text. In the meantime, let's get on with this beautiful one. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. Let's start at the back. There I've got coconut milk. I've got about 300 ml or half a pint of coconut milk. I've got some chickpeas here, cooked chickpeas. If you're going to use yours from a can, it's always good to give them a nice wash in some cold water. Rinse them out, because that water they come in is not so good. Potatoes, I've peeled those. I've probably got twice as much as the chickpeas there, and cut them about the same size as the chickpeas. I've got one onion there, chop that up. Chili, fresh chili, I'm using red, but you can use green. I'm just using one, that's just one chili. You can sort of adjust that as you wish. I've got 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. That's a 50-50 mix of crushed garlic and ginger. We use loads of it on the channel. If you want, make it yourself. I'll leave a link at the end if I remember. The video will pop up. Or you can buy it in a jar or something from most stores. Okay, our powders. So we've got equal parts here, like a teaspoon each, or just above a teaspoon each. We've got cumin, coriander, and fennel powder. The fennel powder is going to give it a really delicious taste. Then we've got, again, same amounts, turmeric, chili powder, and garam masala powder. I'm going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add salt and some fresh cilantro at the end. Let's get to the cooker. So I'm going to start this off with some oil. The heat is on. And I'm using this organic soya oil. I'm trying this out. I've tried it a few times. I quite like it. It's quite good. But you could be using any type of oil that you want, actually. Next up, we're going to drop in our onion. And we're on a fairly lively high heat. I'll see you in about 3 minutes. Okay, so onions are just changing colour. Next step is I'm going to add in my potatoes. Like I say, I've peeled these potatoes and cut them quite small. We're now going to continue for about another 4 to 5 minutes. We want to give these potatoes a nice head start before we add any other ingredients. We're going to stay on this lively heat. So we just give them a nice head start. And at this stage we're now going to add pretty much everything. I'm going to start by adding some salt. Our red chili. I'm going to get the first powders in. Let's take a look at these. So, chili powder, garam masala powder, and turmeric. Equal parts of all of these guys. And then here we've got cumin, coriander, and the fennel powder. Fennel powder is absolutely delicious. Next up, our garlic ginger paste. Like I said earlier, that's a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We're going to add our cooked chickpeas. We're going to give this a stir and we're going to go for about another 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it moving all the time now though. The reason that I ask you to keep it moving all the time is once your powders go in, they can burn. If you just let it sit, they will burn, and what will happen is they will become very bitter. So that's why you need to keep it moving. Okay, we're going to drop the heat down low, not to a simmer, but low. And I'm now going to add in that coconut milk. Now I'm going to let this go for about another 5 or 6 minutes. What we're looking for here is our potatoes to be nice and tender. And if it dries out a little bit, you can just add a little bit more coconut milk or water. It might just reduce down too much for you. So yeah, nice low heat here. I'll see in about 6 minutes or so. And that is looking really, really beautiful. That's a really nice consistency there for me. I'm going to turn the heat off. Now I'm going to add some fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. I'm going to give that a little mix. And that is done. I'll see you at the table. And there you go. Delicious with rice or with some sort of Indian bread like paratha or naan or something like that. Hope you enjoy that. Now please do check out our 100% vegan channel. This is obviously vegan, but we created a new channel and we could really do with your support if you get over there. I'll leave the link, it will pop up about now-ish. And that's it. We'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave us a comment, say hi, we like to hear from you, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.